Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 27th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 966. And before I start, I always print the digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones as always. Oh wait, 16, yeah. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. And yeah, double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Well, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. 3 minutes exactly. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it at home by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye. Bye bye for now.